Alright guys, this is going to be a short video, but it's going to be a very helpful video if you ever find yourself in this situation. This is the steering box off of this truck right here. And it broke off. The studs that are the bolts that actually hold it on broke right in half. This is what the bolts look like, and it snapped off. So what most people do is you run out to the store and you buy this extractor set, and it comes with drill bits. And then you just get the drill bit size that goes with the extractor. And in my case, it's a 1/4 inch drill bit that I need. But if you can see here, these are grade 8 or even stronger bolts. And the drill bit doesn't do anything to it. It barely scratches it. So what we did, we went and bought this drill bit here, Champion locksmith drill bit with a carbide tip. It's like $25 for one drill bit, and we're going to see how it works. Hopefully it goes right into these things like butter, and then we can pull them right out. So let's see what happens. Let me see what that drill bit looks like. It's got to be the strangest looking drill bit ever. I personally never even saw a drill bit that looked like that before. It actually looks like a... When he first pulled it out, I thought it was a paddle bit.
That looks shitty, my foot there.
It's fine. I don't even see your foot.
You put oil? Here.
So there was no way it was going to cut it doing with the DeWalt drill in the driveway, unfortunately. Going to resort to the drill press. Just slowly going down. There we go. You made that look very easy. It's not as easy as he just made it look. So if you're going to do this yourself, be prepared for a massive pain in the butt. Isn't that right, Luke? Yes. He made that look easy, didn't he? Yep. When you do it, it's not that easy, is it?
Nope.
He hates me. Only 2 more to go. This is number 3. Can't tell you how happy I am this came out without breaking. Thank God. Alright, well there you have it. They're all out. No damaged threads. Everything worked out. So what you need is you need a tungsten drill bit, a tungsten tip drill bit. The one I had was it was considered a locksmithing drill bit. You need an extractor, a hammer, an adjustable wrench, and a drill press, and realistically about an hour, probably at least 15-20 minutes each. And there you go. It saved me $280 because the steering box was fine. It's actually only less than a year old, so I really didn't feel like having to buy a new one. So a little bit of hard work, and you can save yourself some money.